Hugh Thompson (1860 to 1920) was a renowned Irish illustrator, known for his charming and detailed pen and ink drawings that vividly brought to life the literature of his time. Born on 1st June 1860 in Ireland, Thomson demonstrated an early talent for drawing, illustrated books, and periodicals was burgeoning. Thomson's formal education in art began at the Belfast Government School of Design. His natural aptitude quickly set him apart, and by 1877 he secured a position at Mercer Ward and Co. a permanent Belfast publishing and printing firm. Here Thomson gained invaluable experience in commercial illustration, contributing to greeting cards, book illustrations, and periodicals. This early work helped him develop a distinctive style characterized by fine lines, intricate details, and a lively sense of character and movement. In 1883, Thomson moved to London, a hub of artistic and literary activity. This relocation marked a significant turning point in his career. He soon began working with the publisher Macmillan and Co. a collaboration that were fruitful for many years. In addition to illustrating well-known novels, Thomson contributed to periodicals like the English Illustrated magazine and the Graphics. His illustrations were celebrated for their lively energy and storytelling ability, making the narratives more accessible and engaging to readers. Thomson's art was not just decorative, it was an integral part of the reading experience, adding depth and dimensions of the text. Thomson also collaborated with author J. M. Barrie, illustrating Quality Street 1901 and The Admirable Crichton 1902. This work further cemented his reputation as a leading illustrator of his time. Thomson's illustrations for Barrie were particularly noted for their whimsical and playful quality, aligning well with the tone of Barrie's writing. A significant aspect of Thomson's style was his meticulous research and attention to historical accuracy, whether depicting Regency ballrooms or Victorian streets. Thomson ensured his illustrations were authentic down to the smallest detail. His commitment to realism, combined with his artistic flair, made his work stand out. Despite his professional success, Thompson remained modest and dedicated to his craft. He continued to work steadily until his health began to decline in the late 1910s. His late major work was the illustration of Elizabeth. Thompson passed away on 7 May 1920, leaving behind a legacy of illustration